Look, today, it just boggles my mind, Julie, in this housing market, especially 2023, where all kind of negativity, like, oh, housing prices are crashing, we're going through a recession. The mortgage rate has increased from 3% mortgage rate 2.5 years ago to 8%. The mortgage rate tripled about a couple of years, few years ago. Yet, guess what? Housing prices have not decreased for in most part of the country. And some market, yes, home prices will decrease by a few percentage points. It will no crash. So I'm not going to go over that. I'm not going to go over all the doom and gloom negativity, housing crash, economy, recession, politics, all those doom and gloom, the world is coming to an end scenario. At the end of the day, if you're a smart risk investor, you will find the right market. You will find the right deal. DEAL. There are deals we have right now as we speak, as we're heading toward the first quarter of 2024. And here are some of the deals, as you can see right here. You can do some special offer, rate buy down.
That's amazing.
Builders and sellers are giving you there's a 5% 30-year fixed rate a mortgage with 0 points out of your pocket. Free.
That's amazing.
In the environment where the owner occupied rate for mortgage right now in the mid 6%.
Right.
Excellent credit, the highest level of for borrowers out there. Most people are investors paying 7% because investor rate is usually higher than owner occupied rate. Rates environment is 7%. I know mortgage rate is slow or expected to come down in the next few years, which is a great news out there. Things are turning around. The risk market being stabilized. But having said that, it is still a relatively high mortgage rate environment. As an investor, you can overcome the high mortgage rate. You find a seller or a new builder that can give you this builder incentive, as you see right here. As a result, by getting those incentives, you lower your mortgage. Therefore, you can cash flow as a result.
Wow.
Buy this property, in this case in Alabama, with a 7 to 7.5% mortgage rate, you're probably not going to cash flow. But in this environment right now, when there's no competition, when everybody's sitting on a sideline, you, as a smart investor, take advantage of buy down 5 point whatever percent mortgage. Run the numbers on this $200,000 property with the rent of $1,550, you can still cash flow.
Awesome. Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah. This incentive is going to go away in the next few months when the housing market come very robust. In case you have not heard, when the mortgage rate come down to spring housing market right now, people getting off the sideline, especially with the rate.
Absolutely.
Mid 6%, if the rate fall to a lower 6%, even 5.99%, guess what? There will be 10, 15 people that try to fight to buy one house.
Exactly.
The bidding war is already happening right now in many markets because we have historical low inventory. I say it again. We have a historical low inventory. We have homeowners that have locked in at a historical low rate mortgage. They're not going to get rid of their mortgages. They could stay put for a long time to come.
Exactly.
They refinanced their loan 2 years ago, 3 to 4%. 3 years ago, they have 27 years remaining on the mortgage. They're not selling their home. The resales are almost frozen, no inventory, and the pent-up demand is increasing. Economics 101, demand are higher than supply. Housing prices will go up. More competition, and you can get outbid. So the best situation is to create a sense of urgency by right now, or the frenzy before. Right now, there's very little competition because most sophisticated investors out there are sitting on the sideline. Now it's time for smart investors like you and I, the people who I consult with, to take advantage of this amazing buyer's incentive, which is going to go away anytime. Peaks up, frenzy. And some of these properties, for example, in Central Texas, this new construction home normally sells for like $230,000 to $240,000. The builder is trying to get rid of this property You can buy at 20%. It's a pre-pandemic price point in San Antonio, new construction for only like 218K. This is
Wow.
mind-boggling, and the rent is whatever. Yeah, mortgage rate buy down
Oh,
4.5%.
1850.
Yeah, you may not see it, but the net monthly cash flow is almost $300 on this
That's
great
excellent.
market, up and coming
Okay.
San Antonio market.
Wow.
That's the kind of deal you're getting. This is a freaking deal.
Here's the deal.
Stop doing B or BS crap. Like bigger pockets and other gurus that try to tell their investors, oh, do it yourselves. Oh, go through the multiple listing service and find a stressed seller. Yeah, I'm not saying that's a bad approach. If you have the time, if you live close by to the area that you're buying somewhere west, yes, you can do the BRR deal. You can sell it, manage. You can sell. You can fix your own properties, manage your property, whatever. But anyway, okay, I digress. Look at some of these 30-year fixed rate mortgage, amazing buyer rate buy down in Florida.
Nice.
Amazing market in the path of growth. Buy in the suburbs, buy in the submarket where the numbers make sense. You're not going to get this price much longer. Building incentive, 4.75, whatever, 5% down, depending on the situation.
Nice.
You're getting better cash flow buying this new construction
Absolutely.
home
Yeah.
in a fast growing area all over Florida.
That's excellent.
Yeah, the numbers, I'm not going to go to the numbers. Needless to say, it's cash flow. The numbers really make sense. And this buyer, when this incentives goes away in a few months, who knows? You're not going to cash flow. This property, there could be a bidding war in the next few months, in my estimation. Then you could competing against a whole bunch of investors out there from all over the country, all over the world, and you could bid up the prices. You could have no more incentive, no more leverage if you wait too long. That's the bottom line. Like this, you can buy the new construction fourplex with a rate buy down, huge cash flow. Great.
Huge cash flow. Yeah.
Yeah. Construction, what more can you ask, right?
And then again, with those interest rates, if you get that, you're not selling that. Not at those interest rates. 4.75, that's an excellent rate.
Yeah.
So yeah, you'll hold on to that. So again, it's limiting it's increasing rather, I should say, the competition because you're gonna have a lot more buyers than you are sellers.
Yep. Competition this year very soon is very fierce. Do it now. And then look at this brand new fourplex in South Texas. $535K. Not gonna find any kind of value similar to this. There's brand new fourplex in South Texas. Anywhere else in the country. Trust me, I've done my research. Look at the numbers, right? Numbers.
Yes.
Their down payment for this great fourplex rent at $5,000 on 4 doors combined. You cannot get a buyer rate buy down in this market, unfortunately, because they can sell this no matter what.
Sure.
Interest rate.
Makes
Even on a 6.85% 30-year fixed rate mortgage, you still cash flow around $789 monthly.
That's great.
Yeah, this is an amazing deal occurring in a very secret market right now, undiscovered market. But I discovered this market. I don't want anybody else to find out about it. I want to be greedy. I want only myself and my investors can buy this before the rest of the general population media get a hold of this market in South Texas. So this is an example. Again, we discuss about the income property is a more powerful, multi-dimension asset class. History, a lot of flexibility, and Warren Buffett. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. Portfolio we just went over. If you have Julie right now is 965. If you have more time, you couple of margins, 15 minutes. If not,
you know what? I do have something in a few minutes, but yeah, we'll see each other tomorrow. Yeah, it's gonna work out for me.
Okay, with the recap I'm giving today right now. Okay, let's recap this video. This like portfolio acquisition in Florida and in Texas and few other places, and all the great incentive that the buyer investors is getting right now. And so, what did your recap? What's your thoughts on that?
I think that just looking at the different areas, Texas, you got Florida, we talked about upstate New York, where I am. It opens up a lot of doors of opportunity for your clients. And I think the main thing is to do the research. I'm looking at the buy downs on the new properties down in Alabama, that area, Tennessee, Alabama. Those are some fabulous
Yeah,
deals, fabulous rates. You're getting a brand new property. So I think it just really behooves people to just investigate, just do the work. And now is really a good time to do that. Before, like you said, you get that summer rush where people are buying, you're gonna have consumers competing against investors. And so yeah, get in now before the frenzy starts.
absolutely. Thank you so much, Julie. And for those people out there, if you receive any kind of value from this presentation, please like and subscribe to my channel and also comment below. And also look at my website. You know, down on there. If you subscribe and email into my newsletter database, you'll be part of our Westman Club Insider. You can get some free real estate education on a weekly basis that come into your email. And also look at the body of our description below and follow the other services that we have coaching, consulting services available, the whole 9 yards. So anyway, thank you for watching, everyone. Julie, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
And
Thank you for your time.
yeah, this is Seewing Yee. I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.